All right, all right, all right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, everything from mining the coin, to staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit cards to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Don't forget about Drip Network at 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day, every single day. Well, today we're going to be talking about Comb Finance. There's a lot going on with Comb. They have nodes that people are getting into, but I do have to specify, they're telling everybody that Comb Finance is not a node company. They're a technology company. So nodes is one of the ways that they're actually breaking into things, but they're a technology company, so don't call them a node company, but they have fantastic information on actually nodes. Also, we're going to talk about the gas prices here in the United States. Talking about if they drill for more gas, will that actually make the prices come down? A lot of people are saying it's not going to make the prices come down. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up and coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. So let's head over to Comb Finance, check it out, look at their price, their Twitter, and kind of learn a little bit about Comb today. Again, they're not a node company, but they have fantastic nodes. So taking a look right here, Comb Finance 3341 is on CoinMarketCap. They're up 18% today. They're at $305. This token is going up, up, up crazy right this second. Taking a look at the chart, look at 7 days ago. 7 days ago, this coin was actually right down here at $195, and now it's $305. What is that? All the coins are down, everything is down, but Comb Finance is actually up 16%. I always bring you coins when they're down, and I talk about discount buy. This one is not down, so you may want to put it on your radar. But they have different projects with Comb Finance. They are saying they are a technology company. That's what they are. Over here at Comb Finance's website, the first hybrid protocol for blockchain services. Our specialty supporting decentralized products. Construct your hive. This is going to be the actual, if you're going to use the nodes, generate an endpoint, which is fantastic. You can actually lower your cost of your transactions and mint NFTs. Build it now. Let's check it out here. So when you click it, right over here, it shows you their different hives. Right here is their beginning hive. It takes 3 Comb tokens to form it. So it'd be 3 times $300, it'd be $900. The top bar hive would take 9 tokens to form it. This one, the Langstroth hive, it takes 30 tokens to form it. And then the Wharf hive takes 60. Now you can actually come over here to the calculator and you can figure out how much money you're gonna make. So let's say you bought one of these. Let's say we bought one of these. It shows you right there. If you bought one of these, your daily reward is $86 a day, 0.28%. The tax in the first 7 days is 40%. If you actually cash your money out between 7 to 14 days, it's 20%. So they actually want you to hold your money on the platform. If you hold your money for 14 days, it's going to be 10%. So that's pretty cool. Now you can take this off here. This is passive income, everybody. If you come over here to the beginning one and you bought one, you're going to make $7.65 a day, which is fantastic. This is the top one that people have. If you buy one of these, passive income is going to be $24.67, which is absolutely fantastic. If you actually bought the War Hive, take a look at this. The War Hive would make you $175 a day of passive income. So again, this is passive income right now. Could be a fantastic play with the gas prices being so high. Okay, it says from an insect to a swarm. So hives created, there's 6850 created. There's 18 members. The APR is 328.5. All right, so what do you think about that? Are you going to form a node with them? Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon. We're going to be doing some more videos on Comb Finance. They actually are going to be in the metaverse. You're going to be able to be in the metaverse and actually get your rewards in the metaverse. So again, Comb Finance is not a node company. They're a technology company. Let's not forget that. What about the gas prices in the United States? They're saying if you actually basically drill more oil, will this help us out? Let's go over and see. It says right here, why record high gas prices won't be solving by drilling oil in the USA, by drilling more oil. Why is that? As U.S. oil and gasoline prices skyrocket, politicians on both parties have called seamless, easy solutions. Drill your way out of the problem, ease the prices at the pump, and supply additional energy to Europe. The president must end the war on American energy. Well, even if they do drill the oil, it's going to take time. But in U.S. is already the top world's producer of crude oil. producing 11.6 million barrels per day as of December. You know, as the supply has increased, Energies expect told CNN that the country is also the world's largest consumer of oil, using about 21 million barrels of oil per day in 2019, 20% of the world's total. You know, so what's going on at the pump? I mean, gas prices are already at $5 in some places. They were saying, here's some jokes for you guys and everything. They're already talking about riding your horse to work and riding your horse to the grocery store, because the actual gas is so much that people are going to start taking their horses out, horses and buggies. We may actually go back to the old way it was 100 years ago and get rid of cars because gas is so expensive. Kind of a funny one. Also, do you know when people are sick and they actually call off of work and they say, hey, I'm sick? They're saying we're about $1 away from people calling into work and saying, guess what, everybody? We're actually, I'm out of gas, I can't come to work. So gas prices aren't getting any better right now. That's why getting some passive income streams could help you. They were talking about Bitcoin being a hedge against inflation. Well, if you have nodes, or if you have drip garden or drip or pigs and dogs, these could all be incomes that can actually help you to hedge against inflation. I don't think the gas is going to get any cheaper anytime soon. So you may want to be looking into these projects. I know you're on this channel about cryptocurrency. All our information is for educational purposes only. We're just friends here. Make sure you do your own research and stuff. Do like this Comb Finance project. They're again claiming themselves. They're not a node company. They're a technology company. How about the background back there? We love in Hawaii right this second. This is fantastic, everybody. All right, over here at the Twitter account for Comb Finance, this is on the Phantom Protocol for blockchain services. You know, right there you can get your nectar. Chapter 2, the Comb boom of yield farming, best of both investors, dropping the first set of vaults at 100 like RTAs. There's your bees, and you want to get your nectar and stuff. You know, so you kind of want to go to their Twitter account, check everything out that's going on the Comb Finance, which is fantastic. Right here, curious why Comb and yield farms are booming? Here you go. They're the top APR in Phantom. The top protocol is listed, only the best. No deposit fees and withdrawals anytime, and sustains Comb. Not investing in Zcomb? Oh, that's another thing. Zcomb is coming too. So that's a whole thing. They haven't launched that yet, so we're going to hear about that. Comb is booming NFTs giveaway in honor of partnership. So you got NFTs that are coming. So yeah, the beehives right there. Don't forget to get your nectar on Comb Finance. All right, so back over here at CoinMarketCap, this token is at $305. And again, about a week ago was $195. So what's our price prediction? My price prediction is to keep an eye on this. I do think it's going to keep going up, but take a look right here. It was at $199 on the 6th. I mean, it's only the 10th. 4 days. In 4 days, it went up $100. There's a lot of hype, and there's a lot of a lot of people are liking the Comb. You may want to check this out. I think the price is going to keep going up for the next week or two. Again, make sure you do your own research. I'm not a financial planner. We're just all friends here. All right, so one last thing here before we go. People are always asking me what type of cryptocurrency projects we do, so I'm just going to kind of list a couple of them. I got a couple helium miners. Those have been doing okay. Did get my money back, but haven't ordered any more. I actually had to get refunded on 10 of my helium miners because they never came. I just got refunded about a week ago. It's been a year and they never came. So helium miners, I don't know, but I do got a couple and they paid themselves off. Ethereum mining, we got something like that going on, but Ethereum is going to be ending in the summertime. So it's going to go from proof of work to proof of stake. So we got to worry about that. Have some node projects with Strong. We have some node project with Project X. We got some drip things going on. We got the drip garden going on. We got the piggy bank going on. Got all kinds of things. Now remember, make sure you do your own research. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video, and then click over here so you can learn about Drip Network. Get 365% on your investments, 1% a day. Hey everybody from Hawaii here. Thanks for tuning in, and you have a fantastic day. Frank's Crypto Corner.